Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much. Today is 23rd of June. How to live trade Forex today with our Forex trading plan so that we will have a list of currency to focus. Okay, all right. So yeah, I guess that should be a good time. Okay, this is really a good time to actually to focus and what are we going to trade, all right, so that we will be able to focus well and to trade better. All right, so in this video I'm going to bring all of you along on what are we going to focus. Okay, how to pick up the pairs. All right, so we have a plan for all the pairs that we are going to pick up. Okay, all right, so quickly move into what we are going to have here. All right, hi CK, Alan, Bradley, Trinam, Hubert, Carol, Roger, and Fat, 你们好. Right, so yeah, okay. Okay, so yeah, let's move in. All right, okay, so shall we have the MT4 please? Right, thank you so much. Okay, so starting off with AUDCAD over here. Right, AUDCAD over here. Okay, so guys, are you ready? Right, AUDCAD. AUDCAD over here, as we can see right now, after the bear, right now, after the retest and coming back for retesting once again. So are we into selling now? Yes, we are in the bear. Right, so we are into the selling of this in the selling mode right now, but as we can see over here, we have about 28 pips left. So AUDCAD, if we are going to continue the selling, all right, please be careful. Okay, but it's still looking at selling. All right, so I will be looking for selling for AUDCAD. So where is the resistance where I'm going to take a look? As you can see, after retested and it bounced back, and now you can see there's a trending running down, lower low, lower low, lower low. So later I'll be expecting to see a lower high over there. Okay, a lower high. So let me plot the lower high over at this area so that likely you're going to test on this area as well. Okay, so yeah, over at this. So we are now just break through this area. So very likely it's going to retrace onto this resistance over at this point, then it will continue selling. So guys, we can now pay attention to this. All right, okay, so yep, that's for AUDCAD. How about Aussie franc? Aussie franc, yes, we are into the bear. Very obvious that we are coming back to the bear since yesterday. So Aussie franc over this part here, okay, as you can see, Aussie franc. Okay, now we are going to look out for this. Hi Mr. Pei, 你好. All right, so Aussie franc. First of all, says from the day we are looking out for a selling. We have one lower low, lower resistance, creating a lower low. Am I right? So it's very obvious from the day. I can tell that this is a bear trend. All right, this is a bear trend. So if this is a bear trend, I'm going to look out for resistance to sell. Okay, so where will be the resistance to sell? As we can see over here from the start, trending down slowly again, and one more continuity. All right, the continuity over here, it may not be a sign of the trending. So let's look out for support. So support area, it should be around this area where I'm going to. Okay, yep, that's right. It's around here. Okay, so tentatively. Okay, I'm going to put this I'm going to put this resistance downwards to here. All right, so this shall be my resistance over here. So we are in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, we are very near to the support. So Aussie franc, it is good to sell. Okay, but the thing is that we don't have an opportunity to sell to the support level, and we are very near to the support level whereby it is already 21 pips. Okay, so we are left with 21 pips, so very likely, okay, over here at this point of time, what we are going to look out for at this point of time is that probably either it retraces upwards to test the resistance. Okay, then on the second half of the market, then it will start to turn down. All right, Alternatively, okay, then it will break the support, retest the support, and continue the bear. Okay, so that will be one. Alright, so Aussie franc is something that we can take note. Alright, yesterday Aussie franc has been selling. Yesterday I was the day that I'm checking out with all the Aussie, am I right? Okay, so yeah, just take note. Okay, so Aussie yen. Let's take a look at Aussie yen. Alright, Aussie yen from now. Are we into the bear? Yes, right now we are in the bear. Okay, so tentatively, I will be looking out for selling. We are in the bear trend. Okay, it has gone out of my bear zone. Okay, my selling zone here. So over at this point, okay, yes, as we can see, all right, so this part here, now we are selling. So look out for selling opportunity, whereby I'm going to look out for a resistance. So the resistance over at this part here is very far. It has already started to sell, correct? Okay, it has already started to sell. So I'm going to put this box away. Okay, so yeah. So this box is actually one of the, it's still the profitable area that I'm looking out for. Okay, so tentatively, just look out for the support where there is no change. We still have about 60 pips to go for Aussie yen. So Aussie yen, I'm going to look out for selling like this, you see. As you can see over here, the retracement up here. Okay, so now starting to continue to sell until this point where now we have a new selling cycle. This one, we can take note. Alternatively, in H1, it may come to retest this area of support. Okay, this area of support. Okay, so over here at this point, right, this is the highest, I would say. Okay, so it may retrace upwards to test on the resistance. If it's testing the resistance without breaking, when it started to have a new cycle in H1, like green, red, something like this, okay, or even something like this, all right, then it's a sign of selling, and we can start selling from there. Okay, all right. So Aussie yen. Okay, so I'm going to put Aussie yen into my selling list today. Right, it looks good, but wait for the retracement. Okay. All right. So next to go, Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi. Let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, we are now coming in as like a selling over here. So let's take a look. Are we still in the selling? Yes, Aussie Kiwi now coming back to selling mode now. Okay, so we are already in the bear. It's just that the past 1 week we have a retracement, and then now started to retrace downward to sell. Okay, so I think this is quite good. Okay, so Aussie Kiwi have a very good space, I would say. All right, Aussie Kiwi. Let me. Over here, it looks pretty good to me, right? It looks pretty good to me. Okay, so yep. Okay, so this shall be the profitable space if it can comes in. Okay, all right. So let's see. Let's check out where is the resistance. Okay, let me check where is the resistance over here. As we can see from this part here, okay, the resistance now coming a continuity. So I'm waiting for a lower resistance. Okay, a lower resistance. That means I want to see this candle. Okay, this candle to go below the real body of the previous candle. Okay, so that I will have a chance to sell. And here we're showing you a green, red candle, and that will be a good time to sell. Okay, so we have a very good space over at this point until here. Okay, tentatively is until here. Okay, so about 30 pips. Okay, so it's about 30 pips. All right. So yeah, I guess this shall be one of the support that nearest support over at this point. So let's pay attention with this. All right. Okay. Hi. Good morning, but Chandra. Nice to see you here. All right. So Aussie Kiwi, we can pay attention. Okay. As I see that there's still a good chance for selling for Aussie Kiwi. So take note of this Aussie Kiwi first. All right. Also take note of this Aussie Kiwi, huh? All right, let me put this Aussie Kiwi into my list. Okay. And once again, Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, let's go with the reading first. Bear trend, hitting a support, retrace upwards, and now retest again and retest again. And now the time of retesting is a lower resistance to retest this support. I guess the support is likely to break. Okay, so this one is very nice. Okay, Aussie dollar, go for selling. As I can see now, the selling resistance. Okay, and support. Okay, so I guess probably if we want to sell within this area of 32 pips, okay, so I guess I probably have to wait for it to break the support here, create a lower low. When it retrace, okay, then hitting on the previous support as a resistance, then we can start selling. Okay, so Aussie dollar also good. All right, Aussie dollar is still good, but I guess probably we have to wait for a little while for Aussie dollar. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna put this Aussie dollar into my watch list. Okay, so good. So far, we have all the Aussies to trade today. So obviously, Euro, Aussie, we don't have anything. It will still continue to buy after it breaks through. Okay, so it's still now on the bull side. Okay, so we are still on the bull side. So when we look at H4 over here, it's still running bull. So buying is still possible. Selling have to stay away. Okay. All right. So next to go, EUROCAD over here. Right, EUROCAD, as we can see, it has been going down and dancing around this area. Am I right? Okay. So is this a bear or is a bull? Okay. So right now, I would say that tentatively it's still in the bear. Alright, but it's having a turbulence area. It's still in a transition that's trying to get out of this transition to become a bull. So tentatively, we are at the verge. Okay, we are so near. Okay, so near to it. Okay, so I guess this is the one. Okay, right. So we are left with about 50 pips. So I guess these 50 pips, I think today they were still trying to go and break into the bull. So tentatively, I would prefer not to trade EUROCAD. Okay, so I stayed away from EUROCAD. So will there be a chance that the EUROCAD will slip down? Yes, I think yes, there will be, but currently not in the first half. Okay, so let's just be patient. Just skip this anyway. We have nothing to see. All right. So for Euro pound over here. As what I can see over here, is still running on the bull side. So tentatively, no. Okay, so move on. Euro yen. All right, Euro yen. We are now in the bull. Okay, so tentatively in the bull area, we are looking for a chance to retrace. Okay, to sell. So Euro yen tentatively. I would say tentatively no. Okay, because Euro yen is actually hitting on one of the resistance. Okay, so the major resistance over here without breaking. However, okay, we are still in the mood. Okay, we are still in the mood. Okay, we are still in the mood of transition from the bull into the bear. So tentatively, by looking at this, okay, we have about 600 pips. Okay, from here to here, we have about 600 pips, 500 plus to 6. So I would say that we still need some time for it to come down, okay, before we can start trading, okay? Right, so this is something worth waiting, but just hang on first, all right? Okay, worth waiting, but just hang on. Okay, so over at this point, all right, let's take a look at Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi over here, we are right into the bull. So tentatively is coming to push higher. So I will not touch this Euro Kiwi. Okay, since it's a buy. Okay, so now let's take a look at this. Okay, and Euro dollar. Right, Euro dollar. Okay. Euro dollar over here. Okay, let's take a look at Euro dollar. Euro dollar. Okay, let's take a look. Okay. Dollar. Right, euro dollar. Let's take a look. Euro dollar. Euro dollar have been running in the bear, in the bear, in the bear, in the bear. Correct? In the bear, in the bear. Right? Retest again. We are still in the bear. Why are you standing up, huh? Cannot be sitting down the whole day, am I right? Okay. Wow, nice view from your. Okay. Nice view from your office. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so yep, and over at this point here, okay, let's see. Okay, we are still in the bear, but in the transition into the bull. All right, so tentatively, okay, I'm going to take this. Okay, look at this first. Okay, so go in and take a look. So at this part here, we retested once. Okay, sorry, retested once over here. Okay, we retested and then it started to swing up. Okay, swing up. So now, by looking at this part here, this area here, we are in the transition to become a bull. Okay, so when I go into this, we are right at the doorstep between the bear and the bull. Okay, so euro dollar, I guess today it seems like quite you know, at the edge of the trend between the bull and the bear. Then in that case, I think I will give this a miss. Okay, let's give this a miss. Okay, if there's a selling opportunity, can I sell, Roger? Yes, of course, because we are right at the edge. Okay, so if you want to sell, guys, if you want to sell euro dollar, when euro dollar cuts back into the selling area, you can sell. Okay, however, but to me, I won't be selling this area because I won't be selling. The reason is that it doesn't give me 80% of the winning rate, so I will put this aside. Anything is lesser than the 80%, okay, I will not sell. Okay, all right. Okay, so usually, okay, the yeah, this one, okay, over here. So this is the bear, this is the bull. So you see, we are at the edge, right? So at this point of time, let's put it this way. Okay, this is the point, okay, where I'm going to cut back into this area. Then I will start selling. Okay, yes, you can, but because it's at the edge, so to me it's about 50%. So usually I would not really take into consideration. I want an 80% winning rate. Okay, so yeah, but you guys can take a look. Okay, all right. Is that a Ferris wheel? Yep. Correct. Okay. So yep, there's a comeback here. Okay, for pound Aussie over here. Well, pound Aussie, we are also at the edge, okay, today. So I'm going to give this a miss. So no for buying or selling. I have no idea where is it going. Okay, pound CAD over here. Pound CAD. Tentatively, okay, we are looking out for a bull. Okay, I'm looking out for a bull. Okay, so let me see. So right now, it has already gone into the bull market. Okay, and now starting to retrace downward a little bit, but you see it's a landing, so it seems like the support over here is very strong. Okay, and now it's coming back for a buy. So next few days maybe coming for a buy. So pound CAD, I'm also not going to look at it as well. All right, how about pound franc? Okay, looks like it's breaking through and still going for the bear run. So H4 over here, let's look at, since we have a bear selling trend today. So let's look at H4 if I have a chance to sell. All right. So over at the H4 over here, if we can see, all right, support is now coming. We are now right at the support over here and the resistance, and this is now this is very smooth. So where is the support level? Okay, support level stands still over here. All right, no change. Okay, so over at this part, at least tested once, and I will still see that the resistance is quite far away. All right, So unless it's coming back for a trending market, then probably I will see that, you know, at this part here, okay, right, at this part here, we need to break the support. We need to break the support and retest the support once again, then we sell. All right, okay, that's for pound franc. Although it can be a long wait, but still it is in the bear, and we can still put this into my pound franc into my watch list. All right. Hi, now is 11. Now is 11:30, 11 plus, about 11 o'clock in India. Good morning. Good morning, Amrita. Good morning, Miss Amrita. Yes, you can trade from India. Yes, you can. All right. Okay, I have a live session later on. Okay, in the London market, you can join in, and you can also join in with us. All right. That's a live trade session. This session is a live analysis. Okay, so in this session, I pick up all the pairs and slowly to focus from which currency pairs I will need to focus. All right. Okay, so yep. So over at this point here, and which app is the best? If you're using mobile, I will say that maybe you can try this MetaTrader 4. Or if you're using, I'm right now on the PC, I'm using MetaTrader MT4, or you can try TraderView, but MT4 is widely used. Okay, okay. Personally, I have TradingView and also one MT4. Okay, for beginners, why I think yeah, I think MT4 will be good. Okay, it's much easier to use. Right, so let's come to pound yen. All right, pound yen. Pound yen, right? We are coming. Seems like it's coming back for a selling. All right, so let's take a look. Looking out for selling. Okay, but right now we are still in the transition area. We are still in the transition area and are coming out of the transition area very soon. So seems like there will be a good chance for selling. Okay, so I'm going to put this back here. All right, so yep. Okay, let me put this. This is a profitable space after it breaks through the support. Okay, after it breaks through the support over at this point. All right, as you can see, no change of the support. So I'm looking out for, sorry, there's changes in the support. Somewhere here. Okay, a little bit lower, just a little bit lower. So pound yen, if it can break this support, all right, then retest the support once again, and I guess this is going to be a good drop. All right, we have about 300 pips of space. All right, so yep, but we need to give a little bit of patience. Okay, so pound yen, we can put this into our watch list today. All right, pound yen. Okay, so pound yen, I guess it's good. Okay. Yep. All right. Okay, so let's take a look at this pound kiwi. Let's take a look at pound kiwi over here. Pound kiwi. Pound kiwi is very obvious that we are going for a bull run. So the bull is running. So buying is possible and not for selling. All right. So buying is possible. Okay, so currently buying only, no for selling for pound kiwi. So I'm not going to touch this because I'm a seller. I determine my direction. I have one direction only, that's for selling. So I'm not going to touch the pound kiwi if it's buying. Okay. So over here and down here over at pound dollar, as we can see, pound dollar, we are still in the bear. One touch. Now going retest the resistance and come back here. As you can see, previous support as a resistance over this part here started to slide down, lower resistance coming soon, correct? So yeah, it seems like it's coming back for a retesting. Okay, so coming back for retesting. So over at this part here, okay, over at this part, as we can see, okay, as we can see over here, that this is currently, okay, currently it is now going sideways. Going sideways, huh? All right. So going sideways, yep. So will there be any chance that we can still trade? I guess we can trade, Okay, we have one resistance over at this part here. So if there's any selling opportunity, like example, a selling cycle, all right, around this area, okay, around this area, and it should start selling back. Okay, it should start selling back. So pound dollar, we are in the middle of nowhere tentatively. Okay, we need to wait. So in this session, I'm not going to put pound dollar into my list, but I will say that I will see that there's a big chance. Okay, there's a high chance that it will start selling today. Okay, right, but just maybe in the second half of the day. Okay, so that's for pound dollar, right? Okay, so once again, move on to dollar CAD. Dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD over here. Dollar CAD, as we can see, I'm still waiting for dollar CAD coming into the bear market. So now it's still in the transition area over this point here. So currently, by looking at this, there isn't any good chance for me to sell at the moment. Okay. No. Now we are in the transition. The bull has ran and then now starting to sell. So in forex trading, there's always a point where it's starting a trend. The bull is running. At the end of the trend, it will start to change. So this area is the change. Okay, so this area is the change. Then we have to be very careful. Will there be a chance for us to sell? Can we sell in this area? Yes, we can still sell in this area. Okay, however, right? However, we are supposed to look out for selling trend, okay, before we start selling. Okay, in this area, it has to be very careful. For example, like this, okay, we are looking out for selling, correct? Okay, so in H1, I want to see that there's a H1RD. Okay, I want to see selling. Okay, like this candle going for a low price than the previous candle. Now it's coming to sell. It's already started to sell since 4 hours ago, and it's running for about 20 pips. Okay, it's running for about 20 pips. So tentatively, I would say that it's good to wait for a retracement or maybe break the support here. Either way. Okay, so either it went up to test the resistance or it comes down to break the support. Right now, it comes to break the support with a new resistance below, then we start selling. Okay, but of course, this is not into the bear yet. Okay, it's still not into the bear. But I'm still looking. Honestly, okay, guys, I'm actually looking out for this dollar CAD to go into the bear run. Okay, so it will have a bearish market in this area. Okay, in this area. All right. So yes. All right. So I'm still waiting. All right. So guys, you can also wait for this to happen. Okay. So yeah, you can just play back my video. Okay, and later on, okay, to check out the dollar CAD. All right. Where is the price? Okay, the price should be around 1.28892. 1.28892. It should be around there. Okay. All right. So anyway, okay, let's move. I'm not going to put dollar CAD into my selling list for the moment. Okay, because I want 80% winning rate. Okay. So dollar franc over this side here. Are we in the bear? All right. Yes, we are in the bear. Today we are in the bear. However, we are meeting up with a support with some retracement over here. Okay, so where's the support level? Can you see the support level? We're at this side here from the far left. Okay, from the far left, we are on the support. So for dollar franc, it's looking good. Okay, so I wanted to see that the selling is selling is very potential. Okay, the selling is quite potential. So I will see that after it breaks the support, when the price retraces to retest the support as a resistance, then we can start selling. Okay, all right. So that will be a nice one. Okay, so I'm going to put dollar franc into my watch list. Okay, for selling. Okay, so guys, you can pay attention to that as well. All right. Okay, hi, the Western do legacy. All right. Okay. Where are you from? Where are you from? So that I can greet you. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Okay, anyway. All right, thank you for coming by. Euro pound, but price as support. Okay, yep. Hang on first. Okay. Right. So now comes to dollar yen. Dollar yen. All right, dollar yen. All right, dollar yen over at this part here. Okay, dollar yen. Dollar yen, are we going to have a sell? Selling is now it looks like it's coming for a selling. However, we are also from the bull turning down to the bear. All right, turning down to the bear. Okay, I'm from India, live in Paris. I see. Nice place, nice place. So I should say good morning to you. All right, so okay. Over this side, by looking at the trend here, it should be a bull. Okay, for dollar yen. So dollar yen, it is a bull trend right now. Okay, but it's still riding on the transition. Okay, it's still riding on the bull into the transition of bear. So turning is in the change. Is in the change. So tentatively, not yet. Okay, I would say not yet. It's still in the change. Okay, but if you want to sell for this one, okay, you just have to pay attention where's the support level, okay, and where is the resistance level. Okay, so probably that may give you a better chance to get the profit from this dollar yen. All right, so tentatively, yep, dollar yen, you have to wait for it to retrace, hit on the resistance, then come down to the support about 110 pips. Okay, so yeah, it's possible. It's possible. But the thing is that because you are in this situation, this stage here it is actually in the transition. Okay, what do I mean by the transition? It means you see the bull is running very bullish until at this point of time started to turn down. Correct? Started to turn down. So in this area is a transition area. So transition of the bull to the bear, from the bull to the bear. So it may take some time. All right. Okay, so dollar yen, no, hang on first. Okay, if we want to trade, of course you can, but I will not put this into my watch list. Okay, so how about Bitcoin? Now Bitcoin. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin, we are still very stabilized in 20,000. Okay, so we are still at around 20,000. So directions to go, we are by looking at this. Selling is one of the opportunity. But of course, I don't take for this Bitcoin. Okay, I will be classify this Bitcoin into my asset class. Okay, so I will not selling. I won't be selling. I will still be looking for a buy. Okay, I'm still looking for a buy. So there's no tentatively, of course, today it looks like there's a buying opportunity for Bitcoin. All right, so we have a chance of a Bitcoin selling. Buying at this around looking at this 20,009. Okay, 20,009. So 20,009 is still highly possible. All right, so from here we can just pay attention to that. Okay, all right, so I guess that's all for me. Let's check what do we have here. All right, okay, so let me highlight this. Okay, so okay, so right now we have selling of Aussie CAD, Aussie franc, Aussie yen, Aussie kiwi, Aussie dollar, pound franc, pound yen, dollar franc. All right, so all these are the currency pairs that I'll be watching. I'll be paying attention to sell. Okay, right, so that I will have a good chance to grab my profit. Okay, so I guess that should be about all. And later on, I will be back here again in about an hour's time, an hour or so in the London market to have a live trading with all of you. All right. Okay, thank you so much, guys. And once again, my channel over here for me, I will be very comfortable in English. So I have an English session over here. And once again, I have a Mandarin session, which will start in about 20 minutes time with ACS Learning Hub KH. So that if people who are comfortable with the Mandarin, yes, please, you can join in that channel as well. So remember to click on the subscribe button, smash the like button, click the notification button for ACS Learning Hub Official and also ACS Learning Hub KH, KNH, Korea, Hong Kong. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. And this is Eric from ACS Learning Hub. I shall see you later and good luck in your trading. And once again, I shall see you tomorrow for this session, right? Tomorrow I won't be having a live session in the live trading session in the London hour, but I will still have this session tomorrow. All right. Okay, then see you guys again. Good luck in your trading. This is everything from ACS Learning Hub. See you.